Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset sound settings on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go to your search and type for Change System Sound. And from the best matches, just open up Change System Sounds. From here, make sure the sound scheme is set to default. And after that, just go to Recording and open up your microphone properties. Right click on it and click on Properties. Then from here, just go to the Advanced tab and make sure to click on Restore to Default. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just go to Playback. From here, go inside Speakers, right click on it and click on Properties. Then just make sure to be on Levels, Enhancements. Click on Restore to Default. Go to Advanced again, click on Restore to Defaults for this as well. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Click on Apply, click on OK again. Then just right click on the bottom right corner on your sound button and just click on Open Sound Settings. Over here, just scroll all the way down and under Advanced Sound Options, just go to App Volume and Device Preference. From here, you can reset your sound settings. Just click on Reset. Then just close all this and go ahead and restart your PC. And basically, that is how to reset your sound settings on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.